Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. So finally we are hitting some resistance right now around 618 level from the top. You can see market is trying to uh, have some consolidation or distribution. It remains to be seen, and we potentially can have some pullback if Powell will sound hawkish on Wednesday, right? So yeah, it is going to be very healthy if we get some kind of pullback and potentially to form these head and shoulders I spoke about yesterday. Yeah, on a 1 hour chart as well, you can see it is going well so far on for the bulls, but of course, I will expect some kind of pullback at least to these potentially to this 19,000 level retest as well. So this is the last week's low, after which we had that earnings push, and of course, if we are if you already sold the top, the local top, we can see some a pullback to the 19,550 levels as well. But of course, we will see what will bring this week. So today's price action was pretty much nothing. So low volume, choppy, and yeah, market just the volatility was just compressed. That's why we slowly climbed up, and then we had a sell-off. So speaking about the volatility compression, let's have a look first on the VIX technical chart. Then we will see the option exposure. So as I said, yeah, we are heading to 22 levels, and we basically hit that 22 level, and we close the gap. And yes, I will expect some kind of consolidation to continue around this area until Powell comes, and of course we are expecting some kind of volatility spike as FOMC is approaching. Every time is like that. So what we have right now, so we had all these imbalances close on the upside, except this 1 hour, 4 hour imbalance around 33 area. So at some point in the coming weeks, I will expect to have some kind of sharp bounce to these volume imbalance closures, because we already see how many times we try to close before having another leg down. So currently, I think if we move to the option exposure, you can see that volatility on the right part. You can see here the compression from 20 to 25 area. We are going to stay around these levels at least, I think, this week, most probably. And on the delta side, you can see that compressed until the 20 for the monthly contracts, and I will expect the compression to stay until May 21st. So in that environment, so I won't be very short-minded. At least, I mean, if I take shorts, it will be very fast, and yeah, because the volatility compression can squeeze the bears, as you know. So for today's price action, you can see we had this sharp cold spike around 1 billion on SPX, after which we had slowly climbed up, and yeah, you can see that this is the volatility compression environment, which is favoring the bulls, as I said. So on the other side, so gamma exposure for this week, we are on the QQQ. We are at the highest exposure for 485, and yeah, we can expect some kind of consolidation around this area. And on SPX, SPX is the highest exposure for this week is 5700, and we are approaching to that. But of course, any kind of dovish statement from Powell, and we can have a squeeze to the upside as well. So you can see that we have a lot of downside exposure, and everything is possible in this environment, right? Oh, so yes. So today's review's purpose was pretty much it to show the volatility compression with you guys. And on the net flow today, we saw some kind of hedging activities and yeah, out of the money as well. So this is those puts from the top getting closed because FOMC is approaching. So we will see. We will see. So yeah, back to the charts. As I said, the sharp, anything sharp, I won't expect anything sharp, and some kind of a pullback to this area, to from these levels to 618 or zero point 0.5 is very much likely. And yeah, we will see what after that, as we are expecting some kind of news on the new tariffs and negotiations with Chinese side. Yeah, any kind of positive news will have a huge squeeze in this environment, as I said. So that's pretty much it. We will see you on Wednesday or on Friday. And yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you so much. Bye.